Hello, welcome to the channel. Put the solenoid on this old Craftsman mower here. Ain't it nice and pretty when it's new? Anyway, remember how your wires go. Take these off, slide that off. Got one bolt here, one back here. It's already got them somewhat broke loose anyway. Did another video I just did with a starter, replace starter on it, you can check that out. Pull this wire off, you can see over my big monkey paws. Well, if you've seen me, it's been over some days, my butt crack, think I'm a gorilla. Very backside joke there. At least I got some on my chest. Anyway, you see a hand moving, but I'm turning the boat right now, or nut. Pull a bolt. Right there. Pull this way and out. Little groove here goes in a little hole. Get these loosened off where I got some space to work. Gotta keep it on camera there. How y'all doing today? Really? That's terrible. Now to put this in here without losing the bolt. There we go. Can't see it, but I can feel it. Probably half mechanic in his back. And what size I'm using? A very special socket. It's that 10mm, it all will disappear. Put the wires back on. Think I did it right, but I don't remember. Now start a wire on this side. Wait a second. I'll come up the other one. What do you say? Locking washer, then a nut. I'll get it started sometime today. There we go. Put it down by hand. What you can. And where do we start a wire? Placing this, I think I did it once, but starter went bad, didn't know it, take it off the mower and I heard a humming, had to hook the battery real quick. That's not the side I used, is it? Not on that one, the new one's different size, so I'll grab that, be right back. Don't you go waiting on now nowhere, if I forget what I was going to say. I found the new size. It's 7/16. Wayne's World Party's Lawn, excellent. Tighten it where it's about to break and just let off. Now I gotta get this size. I forgot about it again. I'll just start up, won't fly off. Grab a nut and washer, put in this. And this. Start her up so if she gets hung up again, she's finally done for a while. Just needs oil change, belt change, blade sharpened. Anyway, that cap right there, that cover, is 8mm bolts. And I think that's about it. I think I'll hold on a second, I'll crank her up so we fixed her. I just looked at that off camera and I said, oh, I seen one. It's right there on the top on this side. Anybody else knows anybody that got screws loose? Screws loose? 3 bricks shy of a load. I think I met all those. Run a lock washer, put it on it. I got it on now. Good enough. Good idea. Put the wire right the way of the battery table. Trying to get in a hurry. Life's a rush. And it's going to twist on me and turn. I'm going to got the one tool. Oop. Oh, let's see if she'll crank. Nope, so I got to tighten that up. Got to hold this down. Yeah, it ain't grabbing again. That's how you get it done. Thank y'all for watching. Lord loves y'all.